Welcome to the ultimate showdown between Roblox farming and gardening. Today, we're diving into the unique worlds of both systems to see which one can truly grow the best gardens. First up, let's talk about gameplay mechanics. Farming often requires larger plots and various tools, while gardening focuses more on aesthetics and plant care. Which strategy works best for you? When it comes to the variety of options, farming offers a wider array of crops like wheat and corn, while gardening features beautiful flowers and decorative plants. Let's see what appeals to your garden style. Timing is everything. Some crops take longer to mature than others. Here's a breakdown of average growth times for both farming and gardening. Which are you willing to wait for? Successful gardening and farming both require certain resources. Knowing what you need to cultivate is key. Let's explore both systems and their requirements. Express your creativity. Farming allows for practical layouts, while gardening emphasizes beauty and style. How will you make your space unique? It's all about the Benjamins. Let's compare profitability. Farming often offers more lucrative crops, while gardening might have lower returns but is richer in beauty. Both farming and gardening promote community interaction, whether it's trading resources or collaborating on projects. Let's see how these methods build a sense of belonging. Want to maximize your success in Roblox? We've got some essential tips and strategies to help you thrive in both farming and gardening. Let's grow those skills. So, which method offers better gardens? It truly depends on your play style. Farming may provide more crops, while gardening captivates with beauty. Choose wisely.